All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the 10s and the 10s Max and the 10R are all new iPhones, and a lot of you guys shop for cases through Apple. But I got a case in today, and this is one that I really like. There's a lot of alternatives to buying Apple cases or the leather cases that come from direct from Apple. You know, they're about 50 bucks or so. But you are limited on what they have to offer. And, you know, cases like this come in these different colors. And I really like this one right here. This is olive right here. And this is available for the 10S, 10, 10X Max, and the 10R. Here it is for the 10S and 10 and 10S. Nice felt, soft touch. This thing is really nice. Feels good already, I can tell. Now you do have a slot here for a credit card or an ID or whatever, so you can put it in there. Here's the brand right here. Thanks to them for sending this out for review. This olive color is just absolutely great. I really like it. So I don't anticipate you could put probably more than, I mean, this will stretch obviously, but so you could put, you know, a credit card and an ID in here, or you can put a little bit of cash in there, just fold it up really nice and flat. But this is the case. I'm going to get my little dummy unit here since the iPhone 10 is in use. And this is what it's going to look like. You've got lots of lip protection on here too. I'm really feeling this. Lots of lip protection around here. Lots of it. Really nice. I'm really feeling this. Yeah, this is really nice. So this is what it's going to look like on the phone right here. The camera is now flush. The power button is covered. Obviously, the vibrate and mute switch is open, and the volume rocker is covered. And this is a leather case, so it's going to be cut out on the bottom down here with just ports for right here. And that's what it is, man. This is a good-looking case. It comes in a tan color, a black color, a gray color, and this olive color from what I can tell right now. But the tan and the olive are really, really sweet, man. I basically like a lot of cases that are different colors for phones. I don't like to go with the basic black all the time. And this olive color is boss, man. This is just a sweet color. And it's available for all the phones. It's available for the 10S Max, the 10R, and the 10S or /10. Now there's other cases on the website that you could grab. And these colors, these same 4 colors are available for all those cases. If you don't want it with the wallet style, then you can save a little cash and just get the flat leather case. And it is just, this is a great feeling phone, man. I just can't tell you enough how nice this feels. It's a good feeling phone. And inside here, they've got a nice presentation here. You can see the packaging. It tells you about the leather case. You know what I mean? So this is a good look from them, man. It's really nice. I really like this. This color is just absolutely fantastic. I like a case that has good presentation. You know, it means they put in a little bit of time and effort. You know what I'm saying? It's nice. Yeah. You got all the certifications and warranties. Cult of Mac has reviewed it. Forbes has reviewed it. And now your man Jay has reviewed it. So this is a nice premium leather case right here. Be sure to check the link in the description. You can see all kinds of colors and different versions of this case. Really, really, really like it, man. This is a win-win right here. I like leather cases, and I like this style of leather case, but sometimes I don't want to buy it from Apple. And this is a good look right here. So shout out to the folks over at Mujjo. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, but it's your man Jay, man, and I wanted to showcase this case for you right here. This is absolutely beautiful. It's even better in person, folks. Trust me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.